smiles and greetings everywhere. Eid al-Mubarak to everyone out there. Whole families together and celebrate. Today's the day, so come on, no time to waste. Sometimes the world takes us so far, though miles apart. Today you're in my heart. Eid al-Saeed, let's enjoy this happy